Okay guys, so today I am posting stuff on Facebook Marketplace, and I might post it on OfferUp as well, so that I try to get a decent background so they can see that it's coming from a home that is nice and clean. I'm posting this lot of glasses. Somebody reneged on their order. So yeah, I'm posting those glasses. This vintage nail dryer that still works after all these years. A mini heater, some shipping labels that I don't use because I have an actual printer now for my labeler, and a mini heater. This is stuff that I'm purging. This little tray that I don't use is foldable, a bed tray. And I'm also selling this rug that is really cute. I hope that's not really loud. It probably is though. And then I have all these shoes that I'm gonna go through and probably one by one put on Poshmark or Facebook Marketplace. I'm gonna try Facebook Marketplace first and see if they do well on there first, after I pick out the few that I want, if I even want any. Most of these shoes are brand new. Now somebody can, hold on. So I'm proud of myself because this was full of sweaters, and someone came over yesterday, an African lady and her daughter, to buy Naya's old twin mattress and the foundation. And I don't know, God just told me to bless her, so I gave this lady so many clothes. If you guys seen the video where I was showing you guys how I purged and in my closet, and not only did I purge, I also set a pile of stuff to the side that I knew that I couldn't fit, but if I don't wear it within 90 days, I'm going to do something with it. Well guys, I just gave her the whole pile. I didn't even look through it or anything. These are the only sweaters that I have that I want to keep that was still downstairs. So those are going to go back in there because I do like those and I can fit those right now. These are all my scarves. So I'm not in the mood to go through these today, but I will have to go through these, and these will be separate videos of me purging these. And then this is the tote of the shoes that I kept. So these are the ones that I kept. Now I have one more tote down there, and that tote is now this is going to go upstairs, but that tote is a tote that has all my handbags, like my vintage bags and stuff. So I'm gonna go through, it's gonna be one video for scarves and then one video for the bags, but I'm just sharing with y'all how I'm slowly but surely minimizing, not a minimalist, but minimizing my things. So these are all my shoes, and I have mainly boots. I think like 5 pair of high like knee boots upstairs, along with a couple shoes that I do wear. And what I'm gonna do with these is, if I don't wear certain ones in here as well, I'm going to start removing them as time goes on. But now we have a freed up tote because this can go in a space saver bag with the winter stuff. And so we have a free tote to use for maybe Halloween decorations or something like that, because I did need another tote for Halloween decorations because it's just in bags. So I'll probably use that for that instead of going to buy one. So that's what I'm doing today, and just sharing this journey. Y'all, been purging for a minute. And because I have purchased new things and rearranged things and changed a lot of things in my home since we moved and downsized, I need to get rid of it and be a blessing to someone and sell this stuff and use the money for something more important. So, all right, guys, I will see you guys later. And that was just a little view into what I got going on. I'm getting ready to post. I posted those. I didn't post this yet, and the heater and that. So I'm getting ready to post those. I took the pictures, but I'm getting ready to post them, and I will keep you guys posted as to how this goes on. And yeah, I think I might post that bar cart again as well, because I want to get rid of this for those of you who are new. I had the bar cart here, but I switched it up, and it's just sitting here because I'm selling this bar cart with all this stuff, except for that Centinela candle doesn't belong here. That are and these 2 candle holders, I don't know, these are too unique. I'm not getting rid of those. But everything else, and one set of shot glasses we're keeping. So the shot glasses we're keeping, the Centinela candle doesn't belong, and then those are the glasses that I'm keeping for myself. It's just 2 sets under there. And these blue glasses I'm also posting just to get rid of this as well. So I hope it's not too dark over here, because I wanted just my plant in this area, and I love the look of this right here. So that's how that's going to stay. Now I can cover that up because it was kind of hidden with the bar cart. So now I can put the casing thing around that. So All right, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying me sharing my journey to minimizing my life. And just look forward to more videos to come on tips, things that I'm doing, how I'm doing it, what gave me the motivation to do it, and all that good stuff. So you guys can see that. My goal is just to make my house less noisy with so many things. Like, just looking at this right here is so overwhelming. But I know it's going to change very soon because I'm going to be getting rid of it. Even if I have to take them to like Plato's Closet or something like that, I'm willing to do that as well. So, because at this point, I know I can't recoup what I put into these items, but my mind and my mental capacity for the stress and anxiety of seeing it is more important than trying to recoup my money from all these items. So that's where I'm at. Oh, my sneakers. I got 2 pairs of sneakers. Those don't belong in there, so I got to pull those out. Yeah, I'm keeping my sneakers. My daughter brought these all down. I'm keeping my sneakers. I always keep my sneakers in boxes, which I'm going to stop doing because it takes up space as well. Oh, nope. Those are not supposed to be in here. I don't understand that. Whatever. Oh, I know where they are. I know what happened. The box that those shoes was in broke, and my sneakers over there. So, all right. See you guys later, Gators.